All right, let's get into this whole idea of a law of motion. And you might think physics, right? Nope, we're starting with Karl Marx. What's he talking about here?
Well, to understand the metaphor, we gotta go to the source, Sir Isaac Newton himself. Okay, so law number one is all about inertia. Basically, things just keep on doing their thing. The second law gives us that famous formula, F equals ma. It's how we actually calculate change. And of course, the third law, for every action, an equal and opposite reaction, the classic.
So how do these abstract laws actually play out? Let's take a look at flight. You see, a plane in the sky is in a constant tug of war between four major forces. It's all about balance. Lift has to beat weight, and thrust has to overcome drag to move forward. So these look like perfect pairs, right? But are they really Newton's third law pairs? Well, let's simplify. Think about a book on a table. This example actually trips a lot of people up. The forces are equal, they're opposite, but they are not an action-reaction pair. So what gives? Here's the trick. A true action-reaction pair has to act on two different objects. So the Earth pulls the book and the book pulls the Earth. That's the real pair.
Okay, got it. But what happens when your frame of reference is the thing that's accelerating? You know this feeling. The car turns sharp and you get thrown against the door, right?
Physicists call that a fictitious force. It's not technically a real force, but it sure feels like one. Centrifugal force is that feeling in the car. Another is the Coriolis force, and it's a really big deal. This is literally why hurricanes spin. It's the Earth's rotation deflecting massive weather systems. Okay, so we've covered real laws, common mix-ups, and even forces that aren't quite real. Now, with all that physics in mind, let's go back to where we started, Karl Marx. See, Marx wasn't doing physics. He was using it as a metaphor for how he saw society working. For him, forces like capital and class were pushing society along, just like gravity or thrust. So it makes you wonder, doesn't it? What other hidden laws of motion are shaping our world?